I've been craving mushrooms for way too long now, but not the stir-fry dry kind. The real soupy umami goodness kind of a way. And knowing me and my cravings, I am most certainly going to binge. Hence, we needed to create it light and super healthy. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as we create the most fantastic mushroom and kale stroganoff. Stroganoff aficionados are going to hold me at ransom, but this is a really simple, soul-satisfying creation. Into a smoldering hot cast iron goes in nearly 20 to 25 mils of cold-pressed sunflower oil. And as we allow it to get nice and hot, we're going to infuse this with nearly 9 cloves of garlic, finely minced, along with a bulb and a half of ginger. So nearly 1.5 inches of ginger going in, and just allow it to play its magic in the pan. Slight burnishing of the garlic. Into this goes 1 red onion, finely chopped up. And we're keeping it really very simple because we want the mushroom flavor to overpower everything else. Softened onions take about 1 minute to 1.5 minutes in a smoldering hot cast iron. While this is done, it's time to take nearly 600 grams of mushrooms, cut them into half lengthwise, and just allow them to infuse the flavor and wilt slightly. Now for the simple spice blend that creates magic in my pan, a large dollop of some stone ground mustard. Stir it in along with nearly half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. I want the dark stroganoff color and that enhancement of umami, so about nearly 10 to 15 mils of soy sauce, tamari soy sauce going in, a large bunch of kale, the center vein removed, and dunk it right in. Don't be alarmed by the quantity, it's going to wilt and give out its flavor really well. Wilting it really well, now is the time to season with some celery sea salt. Just going to go a little overboard so that the salt gives out all that mushroomy goodness. A quick stir, and now for that soupy consistency that we are craving, in goes water or vegetable stock. I'm just using water out here. Bring this to a rapid boil. As the mushroom and kale simmer away, releasing all that umami goodness, it's time to thicken it up. So 1 tablespoon of corn flour along with 3 tablespoons of water to create a perfect slurry, and just allow it to lightly thicken up this creation. Now, since I've already gone rogue with this stroganoff, I'm just going to garnish it with some ginger juliennes right on top to give it that perfect fall feel, and a fine sprinkle of some parsley on top. I hope you enjoyed creating this one with me. Healthy, light, and more importantly non-dairy, wherein you can go right ahead and binge without the guilt that comes with it. Vegan in nature. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to leave a note below.